What's up, guys? I'm sorry about the mess on my garage floor and the quality of this camera, but it's what I've got. So, I've got pretty much everything hooked up. A couple of things are rigged a little bit, but it's live. Got reverse. Got neutral. See if neutral works. Yep. Got forward. Forward. Yep. One thing I need to figure out, I need the switch on my thumb throttle to turn my solenoid on and off. And I don't know that this switch is going to be able to do that, so I might end up having to order a different one. But as you can see, the rat's nest, I tried my best to do this as clean as I could, but it looks like I'm going to have to go back and clean things up. I tried to do it too fast. If I'd have planned it out a little bit more on paper, it would have worked out a lot better. But it is what it is. So take a look at the suspension. My quick job of painting yesterday worked quite well, trying to dodge the rain. I'll have to probably paint my links, but I'm just going to mask things off. I'm tired of tearing the damn thing apart. These are the Nissan Leaf modules, wired up to a Ziva BMS to prevent overcharging, over discharging. Navitas 440 amp controller, the shunt on the right, fuse on the left, run tow switch, turns it all on and off. Got my 12 volt reducer hanging over there. My amp is supposed to be here today. We'll get the speakers going. Pretty excited. I guess I gotta hook up my speed sensor yet too. I haven't done that. I really should probably order another 3-pin connector, but we might put it together with just some regular wire connectors. I don't know. That's about all I got today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have it functioning. I still gotta build my handle. Planning on using some type of connecting rod going from here to my handle somewhere in here, and then I'll use this toe attachment as my pivot point for my handle, and then it's just a matter of wiring up the thumb throttle to the handle, and that'll be it. I plan on getting with Navitas and working out what's called the rollaway brake feature that's on the controller itself, so that when you put the controller into neutral, it works as kind of like a parking brake. But that feature is not very strong and will allow the cart to roll away. So I want to be able to turn that up, kind of adjust it myself to where I like it. I may also have to turn the regen up a lot in order to use it as a brake. For as long as this thing is a wagon, I don't plan on running actual brakes. I mean, everything is back there. You can see the hanger there for the cable. The drums are there. They have pads inside. But what I haven't worked out yet is a brake pedal on it, and my daughter's not old enough to use them anyway. So for now it'll be regen only, but once she gets older I may end up having to rig up some brakes. The regen braking can be turned up to the point where it'll lock the back tires up. It's just a matter of tuning it to a point where it's safe and it's not too harsh at the same time. There she is. I mean, I wish I could zoom out a little bit more, but can't. That is it. Let me get a tape measure on this thing. I haven't even measured to see how high it is up off the ground. It's gonna be kind of wonky because it's lifted in the rear up on the jack a little bit, but looking like about 3 feet to the bottom of the door. So it's up there. I keep getting negative comments about putting your kid in there and whatnot, but It's a wagon for now. I mean, when she gets older, I may lower it down and make it more into a crawler of sorts instead of having it up so high. And I've been thinking too about active bumpers on it with a kill switch built in, so if she hits anything, it won't continue to go forward or backwards. So we'll see. It's definitely a fluid working project. Probably will be for many years to come, hopefully. It's definitely built solid enough to be. Well, thanks for watching, and post any questions in the comments. I'm pretty active, at least until the beginning of next week when I go back to work. Later.